My name is David, and this is I Am the Seabro Paracord Design. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the Crest of the Valiant Paracord bracelet. Alright, let's get into this. First, what you'll need is about 8.5 to 10 feet of 2 strands of cord. You'll need to do a 4-string core setup. For this, I use the over-under method and the knot at the top. Alright, let's begin. First, what you want to do, as I always do, I always start from the right. You can do it alternate. Doesn't make a difference. This pattern follows the same direction both ways. First, you want to take your low strand and you want to come over 3, and you want to go down between cords 1 and 2 and come right back up in the center between cords 3 and 4. That'll be the first start off of this. Next, you want to take the other lower strand from the opposite side and do the same thing. Coming, yes, up through the middle between cords 2 and 3. You want to make like a X with those 2 cords. Next, what you want to do, you want to take your high strand from the right, you want to bring that all the way over, and you want to go all the way to the extreme left, to the left side of cord 1, and you want to come up between cords 1 and 2. Then, with that, you want to take the cord underneath the cord you just came with, and the other cord that started out, and you want to bring the cord underneath both of those, as shown here, and you want to pull that all the way through. Next, since you're already there, you want to next bring the end of the first cord up through the up around cord 1. Then you want to go to the next side. You want to do the other one. You want to bring the cord over. I'll just call them the blue and the black cords for now. And you want to repeat the same process like you did with the left side. Coming underneath both the 2 cords that you just wove. And then you want to do the loop over again for the first cord, as shown here. Next, you want to take your cords at the top, the blue and the black, and you want to tighten those up. Alright. Next, you want to take the cords that looped that is almost the pattern. Next, what you want to do after you close it all up, you want to bring the top 2 cords down to the respective side of the other color. So you want to bring that down, and you want to come down between cords 2 and 3 and out between cords 3 and 4. Once you do that, you want to come under and come right back up again between cords 3 and 4, creating a small little pattern. And that will finish off this design from that side, and you want to do the other from the other side. And there you have it. That is the first. That is the pattern, as you can see here. Alright, let's continue. I'll do it one more time. You're just doing the same thing over again. If you're fine with this, I'll end this here, as my time is limited right now. If you want a full tutorial, I'll do a live stream over on Instagram. Follow me there at cord_550_Dave. You can also find the link down in the description. Please also make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to this video. And I thank you. This is David. Have a nice day.